The first Native Americans arrived here in the northeastern region between 12 and 15,000 years ago. Communities soon developed here in the Connecticut River region, and by about 1,000 years ago, with the introduction of corn, larger populations could be sustained. And there's evidence around the town of Old Saybrook here of Native American cornfields and village sites. During the course of the archaeology to find Saybrook Fort, Native American objects were routinely recovered, including shells, stone tools, and fragments of Native American objects, speaking to the habitation in the region. Native American peoples flourished here for many years, relying off the maritime resources of the region. And those same resources also drew Europeans to the area when they began to arrive in the 17th century. The first Europeans to visit this region, known as Pequot, or place at the river's mouth, were the Dutch. Beginning with Adrian Block about 1614, the Dutch and the Niantic peoples here at the river's mouth, and later the Pequot further east, began a very robust trading relationship where the Dutch would trade European goods, metal objects, cloth, firearms, for furs gathered by native hunters, and also for these purple and white shell beads produced by native peoples in Long Island Sound, known as wampum. Wampum, made from the quahog and whelk shell, strung on strings, were very culturally and traditionally significant to native peoples in the Northeast. The Dutch quite quickly realized that wampum could be exchanged for some of the best furs up the Hudson River or up the Connecticut River. By 1623, the Dutch began a small settlement here at the river's mouth, several houses, a few families, to maintain this trading relationship. But by 1625 or so, those families returned back to Manhattan. Native peoples and the Dutch maintained this strong trading relationship until the arrival of the English in the mid-1630s, which changed the power dynamics in the region.